Here are 10 legal terms you should know for your divorce. Legal vocabulary can be incredibly daunting, and I know what it feels like to be embarrassed for not knowing what certain legal terms mean. First off, do not be embarrassed. This is not your profession. People rarely know what these terms mean unless they've been part of a court case. Here are 10 terms you will likely encounter throughout your case. Number 1, hearing. A hearing is actually just a formal word for a court date. If issues arise in the middle of a case, either party can request a court date with the judge so that he or she can resolve the issue. Number 2, motion. A motion is a document that is filed with the court in which a party asks the judge to make a decision on an issue. These are issues that arise before a trial. The party filing a motion will request a court date for the judge to hear the motion. The hearing is where the judge will hear from both sides on what the issue is, and then he or she will decide the outcome. Number 3, docket. A court docket refers to all of the cases the court is handling. The judge will usually call the morning docket in the morning. This means the judge calls out the cases being heard that day. This is where the attorneys and anyone with a court date that day will announce that they are present. It is like an attendance call. Number 4, petition or a complaint. A petition is also called a complaint in some states. It is a legal document that is written by one spouse, referred to as the petitioner, and it's filed with the court to begin the process. And in this case, it will begin the divorce process. Number 5, answer. An answer is a document in which the spouse who did not file for divorce must file with the court. The person filing an answer will usually write whether or not they deny what was written by their spouse in the petition. Number 6, service of process. Once a spouse files for divorce, that spouse must serve the other spouse the divorce papers. The procedure is formally referred to as service of process. Number 7, mediation. Once a divorce case has begun, the parties will often choose to mediate. This is where the spouses hire and agree to a third party whose job it is to help the parties come to an agreement. Mediation is best thought of as a negotiation meeting. Number 8, clerk. The clerk is an employee of the court who handles all the paperwork. This is the person that you go to for documents that need to be filed or have been filed in your case. There may be more than one clerk that works for the court. Number 9, court coordinator. The court coordinator is an employee of the court and they manage the court's calendar. This is the person you go to for your scheduling needs. Number 10, decree. The decree is the final official document that is signed by the parties and the judge. If the case went to trial, it'll summarize the decisions of the court or the jury. If the case is agreed outside of court by the spouses, it summarizes their agreement. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.